Hello everyone, I am Bagya. Welcome to Let's Make English Handwriting Simple channel. Before starting the alphabets, let's see some patterns which help you to improve your handwriting. As you know that 4-line note is very comfortable to learn and practice your English handwriting better. Now let's see the 4 lines. The first one is upper line, the second line is middle line, third line is base line and the last line is lower or bottom line. Now let's start the pattern. The first pattern, slanting line, you need to write with adequate space. Now let's write a slanting line with nick. These patterns used in letter A, G, D and more. Now we'll write the standing line with adequate space. Let's write up to down. Now let me write this standing line down to up. After this, let's write the letter C model. Continuously you need to write this. Now let's write letter E continuously. Zigzag model. Now you try this pattern also. It should come equal space. Let's write the O model. If you are beginner in the handwriting, practice these patterns 4 to 5 times daily in a week. If you know cursive letter already, practice these patterns 4 to 5 times for 3 days. I hope you understand better. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.